Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys my everyday makeup routine. To get started, I like using Glossier's Balm.com. I actually got this in the summer at a Nike Air pop-up shop, and I haven't put it down ever since. It is the winter time, so it's the best time to use this. I like to use the One Heck of a Blot primer from Soap & Glory. It is my all-time favorite drugstore primer, but on days where I want to be a little fancy, I like to use my Benefit Professional. And then for foundation, I have fallen back in love with the L'Oreal True Match foundation. I'm not sure why I ever put it down because my skin looks so flawless when I use this foundation. I get so many compliments and people think I'm using a more high-end foundation when it's really this drugstore foundation that's like $7. I absolutely love it, and I use the shade N1. For concealer, I use my Ride or Die Tarte Shapetape. I just haven't found anything else that I love more than this, and this is my everyday makeup routine, so I usually just put that under my eyes, and I also use it to prime my eyelids, just making it really easy and simple so that I don't reach for an eyeshadow primer. A concealer just works just as well. To set all that concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Peach Perfect Translucent Powder. It is so nice. It smells so good. I add that all over where I added all the concealer, but then I also like to set down like my nose, my forehead, and my chin. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Dose of Colors and Katy and Desi collaboration, the Friendcation palette. I keep it nice and simple, using just basic all over the eyelid, and I blend some of it into the crease, and then I go back into the palette and using my finger, I add just a kiss over the top of basic, and that's it. It's super simple. For bronzer, I've been using, again, Wet n Wild Ticket to Brazil bronzer. It's an oldie but a goodie, but I've just fallen back in love with it, and I've been picking it up a lot lately. For blush, I've been loving the Too Faced Pop It On Peach blush. It's such a cute little blush and it smells really good, but I also love that it's a peach color and it has just a little bit of shimmer to it, so it's just beautiful on top of that bronzer. For brows, I'm using the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo. It is the only thing I ever love using. I go back and forth between this one and a Maybelline one, but this one is just so much easier to work with, and I just love it more than the pomades or even like the stick ones because it's just way easier for me to work with and to make the arch of my brow. For mascara, I've actually been going more high-end lately between those three, but the one I've been reaching for the most is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I got that in a BoxyCharm once, and I just love it. I love the way it makes my lashes look, and it holds the curl of my lash all day long. For highlight, I've been loving Rodeo Drive by Ofra, and it's just the right amount of glow, honestly. You can definitely add way more glow by adding another layer, but I just love keeping it nice and simple. And then for lips, I've been using my ultimate favorite lip color from Dose of Colors, and that's in the color Stone. It is a mauvey, beautiful rosy color that dries matte, and I just love it. And then for setting spray, I've been using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. That setting mist keeps your makeup looking good all day, trust me guys. And then the last step is I go in with the mascara that I used earlier, and I just add that to my bottom lashes, and we are done. And that is my everyday makeup routine. So So that is it. This is my everyday makeup routine. Most of the time, if I'm not wearing a look similar to this one, I'm usually wearing just moisturizer, my serums, and mascara. That's just the real deal. But I love looking put together, so a look like this makes me feel so put together, very pretty, and ready to tackle on the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on that notification bell to be notified when my next video goes up. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!